Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this lovely creamy dreamy lime curd. There are only 4 ingredients in it and it makes the most of limes when they're in season and you have a bounty of fresh limes. Why not make lovely lime curd? And as always, I've written the blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this lime curd a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. So I've got a saucepan here and I've just got 2 eggs in, and I'm going to add in just 1/4 cup of sugar. You can add more if you want to, it just depends how sweet you like. Oh, things like this, it's a bit more than 1/4 cup there, but that'll do. And just give it a little whisk through. Okay, now we'll add in the lime. I'm going for 2 out of 3 of these limes, but just depends how many you want to include. So I'm going to use a microplane grater and grate over the zest of both of the limes. Okay, just do the best you can to get as much of that zest into the curd. And now we'll get the juice out of the limes. So I've just got a sieve over here and I'm just going to squeeze over the juice of both of the limes. Okay, and I'll just whisk that in. And now I'm just going to add in the butter. I'm just going to add in 30 grams of butter, which I've just chopped and cubed up. And now we're going to pop it over medium heat and get it cooking. Okay, I've just got the saucepan over medium heat. I'm going to just keep whisking it and the butter will slowly melt and it was very slowly thicken into a curd. So just keep a close watch and continuously whisk it. It's really only taken a couple of minutes. The butter is melted, it's thickened up, and just keep whisking while it bubbles away and thickens to a curd. It just took a few minutes to thicken up. You can see it's a glorious thickened curd, so you can see it's done. You can also test it if you want to. Take a spoon, pop it in, and if you just run your finger along it, you can see that it holds its shape just like that. It is done. So just allow it to cool and then you can move it into a jar or a dish for serving. And the lime curd has thickened up and it's cooled, and we're just going to keep it in the fridge. It's going to get even thicker than that, but it just makes such a beautiful sweet treat. I love mixing it through plain natural yogurt. I've been making scones and topping scones with it, and there's just so many uses for this lime curd, which I'll write down in the blog post down below. So click through to check that out. But that is the video for today for this easy homemade lime curd. It's such a yum way to use limes, especially when you find them on sale and you want to just use them all up. This is just a delicious way to enjoy them. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give the recipe a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again soon. Bye.